How to fix error code 0x80072efd on Windows 10. Here are some tips that would help you fix error code 0x80072efd on Windows 10. 1. Disable any active proxy or VPN-based internet connection. 2. Reset Windows Update components. 3. Update your device drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 4. Update Windows System. 5. Clear Windows Store. Cache BIOS reset. 6. Rename the software. Distribution folder by running these commands as admin. netstop wowserv netstop bits rename c:\windows\soft twa redistribution software distribution.bach netstart wowserv netstart bit 7. Reset or reinstall Windows 8. Register Windows Store via this command in PowerShell, admin mode PowerShell execution policy unrestricted command and $manifest equals, getup's package Microsoft.Windows Store, .install location, plus \ups manifest.xml. Adups package disable development mode register $manifest 9. Enable use TLS 1.2, TLS 1.0, TLS 1.2, and TLS 1.3 in IE 11 settings. 10. Update error 0x80072efd in Windows 10. Also try, re-update Windows 10 later. Run Windows Update Troubleshooter. Clean boot your Windows 10. Disable third. Party antivirus/firewall software. Check date and time. Disable proxy. Reset Windows Update components. Rename the software distribution folder. Delete the content inside the software distribution folder on Windows Safe Mode. Turn on Windows Update service. Enable DNS client service.